students, welcome to Insight Knowledge, and today we are going to see subtraction using Vedic math. Usually subtraction always makes people trouble because there is a borrowings, we do mistakes while getting answers, right? But in this video we are going to see a base complement method instead of borrowing in subtraction. But before going to see base complement method, let's start with simple subtraction. Let's see with an example. Let's subtract 49 minus 37. 3 minus 4 is 1 and 7 minus 9 is 2. It is very simple, right? The answer is 12. And let's see another example. 63 minus 51. 5 minus 6 is 1 and 1 minus 3 is 2. Here also the answer is 12. These are simple subtraction, right? Students, always remember in Vedic math we do all kind of mathematical operations from left to right. We don't do operations, that is we don't do sums from right to left. Okay? Always remember this. Okay, these sums are very simple, we do just like that. But in case of borrowing, we are going to use the base complement method. Let's see what it is. In case of borrowings, number 1 is the base number. You are going to use the number 9. If it is 2, you are going to use 8. If it is 3, you are going to use 7. If it is 4, we are going to use 6. And it is 5, you are going to use 5, right? And similarly for 9, if there is borrowings and the base number is 9, you are going to use the number 1, vice versa, right? And if it is 8, you are going to use 2. If it is 7, you are going to use 3. If it is 6, you are going to use 4, right? If you don't understand, we straightly go to the example, right? Let's subtract 643 and 479. Students, Vedic math always start from left side. So let's subtract from left side. Okay. 4 minus 6 is 2. So write it down 2. And then come to the next number. 7 minus 4. It requires borrowing. So what you have to do is reduce the number 2 and write down its previous number. Previous number of 2 is 1. So write it down 1. Okay. And you have to find out the base complement for 7. For 7 it is 3. Right. Just add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Write down 7. Again, come to the next number. 9 minus 3. Here also it requires borrowing. Okay. So cut down the number 7 and write down its previous number. It is 6. Write it down. What is the base complement for 9? It is 1. Just add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we got the final answer is 164. That's it, students. Students, if we solve 3 or more problems, it will be very easier for you and you can solve the subtraction than you think. Let's subtract 4-digit numbers 9561 and 7690. We start our subtraction from left side, right? So subtract 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is 2. Write it down 2. And then come to the next portion. 6 minus 5. Here it requires borrowing. So we are going to cut down 2 and write its previous number. Previous number of 2 is 1. Write down 1. Okay. Now in 6 minus 5 we have to find the base complement for 6. Base complement for 6 is 4. So add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Write it down 9. And then come to the next number. 9 minus 6. It also requires borrowing. So you have to cut down 9 and write its previous number. Previous number of 9 is 8. Write down 8. And then find the base complement for 9. Base complement for 9 is 1. So just add 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. Write it down 7. And then come to the last number. 0 minus 1. It does not require borrowing. Right, students? So no need to cut down 7 and write its previous number. If there is no borrowings, no need to cut down the number 7. Okay? You got it clear? Write down the number 7 as it is. Okay? And write the answer for 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is 1. So the final answer is 1871. Students, you got it clear? We solved 3 more problems for better understanding. Right? Let's subtract 637,928 and 352,364. Okay, let's subtract from left side. 3 minus 6 is 3. Write it down. And go to the next number. 5 minus 3. It requires borrowing. So you cut down the number 3 and write its previous number 2. Okay, and in 5 minus 3, you have to find out the base complement for 5. Base complement of 5 is 5 itself. See, right? So just add 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Write it down and go to next number. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 is 5. There is no need for borrowings, right? Write down the number 5 as it is. See, students, listen carefully. If there is no borrowing, no need to cut down the number 8 and write down the previous number. You got it clear? Okay, go to next number. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 is 6. So write down the number 6. Here also there is no borrowing, so no need to cut down the number 5 and write the previous number. Got it, students? Okay. Then go to the next number. 6 minus 2. Here it requires borrowing. So you cut down the number 6 and write its previous number 5. Okay, fine. What is the base complement for 6? It is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Write it down 6. And then what is the last number? 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is 4. Just write down the 4 as it is. Now you get the final answer as 285564. Right, students? Let's subtract 985237 and 578109. Let's start from left side, right? 9 minus 5 is 4. Write it down as it is. And then come to the next number. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Write it down. See students, here there is no need for borrowing. So we did not cut down the number 4 and write its previous number. We just write the number 4 as it is. Do you understand? Okay. And then come to the next number. 5 minus 8. Here it requires borrowing. So we cut down the number 1 and write its previous number 0. Do you understand? Okay. And now as 8 minus 5 need borrowing, we have to find the base complement for 8. What is the base complement for 8? 2. So just add 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Write it down. And then the next number, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Write it down. Here also there is no need of borrowing. So we did not cut down the number 7. You got it clear? Okay. Come to the next number, 3 minus 0. Here also it does not require borrowing. So write down the number 3 as it is. And no need to cut down the number 1. Okay. Okay. Come to the last number, 9 minus 7. Here it requires borrowing. So we cut down the number 3 and write its previous number 2. Okay, and for 9 the base complement for 9 is 1. So just add 1 plus 7 and the answer is 8. Now we get the final answer as 407128. So students, we have seen many examples and I'm sure you all clear with this. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in another video. Until then, take care.